I made $1,600 day trading today, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same. So all you're doing is waiting for 3 a.m. and you're looking for a liquidity hunt at 3 a.m. to target the opposing end of the range. So all you're doing is waiting for the 3 a.m. candle and you're looking to trade after it. However, you're looking for a range high and a range low. So we're looking for the market to take out one side of the range. So if we take out the buy side liquidity first, we're looking for the market to trade lower. If we take out the sell side liquidity first at 3 a.m, we're looking for the market to trade higher. And we are waiting for a change in the state of delivery to confirm that this is occurring. We wait for the market to take out one side of our predetermined range. Okay, so as you guys can see, we take out the sell side liquidity first, and we have the buy side liquidity which is resting above this high. All we do now is wait for the market to close above these down close candles, and this is what we do. So we have a change in the state of delivery. So order blocks which change the state of delivery or high probability, and this is where we can look for a long. So once price closes above the candles which change the state of delivery and we trade back into them, this is where we can buy with a stop loss below this low, and we can target the buy side liquidity and aim for a 1 to 2. So all you are doing is waiting for the 3 a.m. candle, and you guys can see that we trade into the buy side liquidity and we trade higher. So I will be hosting a free class inside of my Discord about this model. So if you guys want to join that, comment the word Discord and I will DM you the link. You must be following, otherwise I can't DM you.
18 months ago, I couldn't pass a single prop firm challenge. Now, I'm a funded trader. Here's how. Step 1, I got the PipsGravity Mastermind Trading Plan. Link in bio. Step 2, I mastered market structure so I knew exactly when to buy and sell. Step 3, I learned liquidity traps and fair value gaps so I could trade with the banks, not against them. Step 4, I used their entry and trade management system to protect profits and grow my account. If you're tired of starting over, stop trading blind. PipsGravity is your shortcut to funded trader status.